Birds, the feathered wonders of the sky, possess a myriad of extraordinary features that defy conventional nature. Exploring some of the strangest facts about birds reveals a captivating world that intrigues and fascinates ornithologists and bird enthusiasts alike. Firstly, the hoatzin, a peculiar bird native to the Amazon, is often dubbed the stink bird due to the rancid smell it emits. This odd odor arises from its unique digestive system, reminiscent of ruminants, allowing them to ferment plant materials to aid digestion. The hoatzin's chicks boast a throwback to prehistoric times with functional claws on their wings, enabling them to climb branches, a feature that vanishes as they mature. In contrast, the lyrebird of Australia is renowned for its superb mimicry skills, often imitating other bird species, environmental sounds, and even human-made noises. From chainsaws to camera shutters, the lyrebird's acoustic repertoire is both vast and astonishing, earning it the reputation of nature's most gifted mimic. The Arctic tern is another avian marvel known for its impressive migratory journey. This seemingly fragile bird holds the record for the longest migration, traveling from its Arctic breeding grounds to the Antarctic and back every year, covering roughly 70,000 kilometers annually. This epic journey exemplifies the endurance and navigational expertise of this bird. Then there is the super-fast peregrine falcon, renowned for being the fastest animal on the planet. In a hunting dive, this raptor can reach speeds exceeding 240 kilometers per hour, showcasing a breathtaking display of aerodynamics and predatory prowess. Its extraordinary vision sharpens the falcon's ability to spot prey from incredible heights, ensuring their place as masters of the skies. Equally intriguing is the bowerbird of Australia and New Guinea, which exhibits unique courtship behavior. Males painstakingly build and decorate structures known as bowers with brightly colored objects to attract females. This artistic display reflects not only the bird's attention to detail, but also an understanding of aesthetic appeal, making it a remarkable example of avian architecture.